Produce healthy food right from your home. Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we are coming to talk about something simple, very affordable and powerful. That is growing plants in a bucket. Yes, you can have your own vegetables in buckets, whether celery, rosemary, peppermint or even eggplants. Anything is possible. You don't need acres of farmland to enjoy fresh vegetables. With a few containers, some soil and the right care, and produce healthy food right from your home. So here are the steps involved to successfully grow crops in buckets. Step 1. Choosing the right bucket. First, you will need buckets. The best size is between 15 to 20 liters, which gives enough space for the root to grow. Make sure the buckets are clean and safe for planting. If you are recycling old buckets, avoid those that once held chemicals. Drill or cut several small holes at the bottom of each bucket. Without proper drainage, your plant will drown and root rot will set in. Place a few small stones or broken pieces of clay pot at the bottom before adding soil. This helps improve drainage too. Step 2. Preparing the soil mix. Good crops start with good soil. You can't just scoop soil from the ground and dump it in the bucket. It won't give the best results. Instead, prepare a mix. A good ratio is 2 parts garden soil, 1 part compost or well-rotted manure, and half a part sand for aeration. The compost adds nutrients. The sand prevents the soil from becoming too compact, and the soil itself provides structure. If you can get coco peat or perlite, that is even better for water retention and airflow. Step 3. Planting seeds or seedlings. Once your soil is ready, fill your buckets about 3/4 full. Now it's time to plant. You can grow almost anything in buckets. Tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, spinach, onions, carrots, even root crops like ginger. Plant seeds according to their depth requirement. If you are using seedlings, gently loosen the roots and place them into a small hole. Then cover the soil and press lightly. Step 4. Watering and positioning. Water your bucket immediately after planting. Keep the soil moist but not soaked. A good rule is to check the soil with your finger. If the top 2 to 3 centimeters feel dry, it's time to water. Place your buckets where they will get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. If you are growing indoors, try to position them near a window or use grow light. Step 5. Fertilizing and crop care. As your crop grows, they will need extra nutrients. Every 2 to 3 weeks, feed your plants with liquid fertilizer or composting. This will keep them strong and healthy. Also, watch out for which compete for nutrients and pests like aphids and caterpillars. Since your garden is in bucket, pests are easily to control. You can use neem oil spray or even hand pick them off. And that is it. Bucket farming made easy. Whether you live in a city apartment, small compound, or even the countryside, you can grow food for yourself and your family. It saves money, provides fresh organic produce, the joy of farming to your doorsteps. So grab your bucket, some soil, and start today.
What would make it successful? You can tell people that you can do it in your house.